National Weather Service for the following county: Salem County, New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued high wind warning, which is in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. Thursday. A dense fog advisory has also been issued. This dense fog advisory is in effect until 8 a.m. this morning. Winds south 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts of 55 to 60 miles per hour. Timing: the strongest winds are expected between 9 p.m. tonight and 3 a.m. Tuesday, just ahead of the cold front crossing southwest New Jersey. Impacts: scattered trees and power line damage is expected. This would result in power outages. Some damage to small or compromised structures could occur. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times through 8 a.m. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. A dense fog advisory means visibilities will frequently be reduced to less than 1/4 mile. If driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you.